In this video, you will see a massive amount of plastic waste that has been thrown into the canal over the years. The pollution has built up to an alarming level, and the smell of the water is extremely bad due to the accumulated trash. It's heartbreaking to witness the impact of this pollution on the environment and the nearby community. Hopefully, one day, we will return to this place with our team to clean it up and restore its natural beauty.
No, tak beda mah.
This place is the higher area.
Now, come with me to see the lower area of this canal.
Từ nào tới lời?
Chắc là như
Đó. Đó lên này. One Kingdom of Wonder.
This area is like a small village with around 30 to 40 families living nearby the canals. The community here relies on the surrounding environment for their daily activities, but unfortunately, the canals have become heavily polluted over time. With so many families living in close proximity to the water, the waste build-up poses serious health and environmental concerns. Despite this, life in the village continues, with residents adapting to the conditions as best as they can. This area is located behind the local houses, and as you can see, the canal is filled with an overwhelming amount of plastic waste. Over time, people have continuously discarded trash here, turning the water into a polluted and unhealthy environment. The sight of so much plastic floating in the canal is truly alarming, highlighting the urgent need for change and proper waste management.
We found this location, but I don't think that we have only 2 people and we want to do this clean up this area, but I don't think we can do it, but maybe later. But I will take this video and keep it to remind that I have one area that we should clean the plastic thing. You can see there are a lot of it. So here is the road that connect to the people house over there. As you can see, this is like full of the plastic waste because this is the down area. So when the water come from the up area over there, so they will flow and stuck here, and a lot of waste that you can see. So we'll walk down there to see not just the waste but also the water is also really bad. And here is the big, like the big prawn, like a lake over there. You can see here's the water, the polluted water. We don't think that we can clean up this area, but hopefully later.
Recently, we came across a canal and water system that was shockingly filled with plastic waste. It's clear that this area has been polluted for many years, with plastic being discarded daily by people who may not realize the impact of their actions. As we stood there, it was impossible not to feel deeply saddened by the sight. The canal, once perhaps a vital part of the local environment, was now barely recognizable under a thick layer of trash. It's heartbreaking to witness such a beautiful part of nature being suffocated by plastic. We have a strong desire to clean this area and restore it to a better condition, but the reality is that we simply don't have enough time or the necessary number of volunteers to take on a task of this magnitude. The scale of the cleanup is overwhelming, and at this moment, it's beyond our current capabilities. Despite these challenges, we are determined. We promise that one day we will return to this canal. We will gather the right resources, rally more volunteers, and do everything in our power to remove the plastic waste and restore the natural beauty of this place. The smell from the polluted water was unbearable, a constant reminder of how far the area has fallen due to years of neglect. It's not just the visual impact that's distressing, but also the environmental consequences and the toll it takes on the local community and wildlife. This experience has only strengthened our resolve to keep pushing forward with our mission at Cambo Cleanup. It's a clear example of why our work is so crucial. We hope that, with time, more people will understand the importance of responsible waste disposal and help prevent such disasters in the future. We may not be able to clean this area right now, but we will never give up on our goal of creating a cleaner and more sustainable Cambodia. I don't live in this area, but seeing the way people here have to live makes me feel very sad. It's heartbreaking to witness families surrounded by this level of pollution, forced to endure such unhealthy conditions every day. I can't help but wonder why no one has taken action to change this situation. How has this problem been ignored for so long? Everyone deserves to live in a clean and safe environment, and I truly hope that one day something will be done to improve their living conditions.